The workplace in 10 years will be entirely networked based. We will leverage online communities, digital networks, social influencers to get our brand across, to launch new products, to discover new forms of innovation, and to find talent for our organizations.
I think the workplace in 10 years does not exist in the sense of having cubicles that everybody's going to. I think that people are going to work more from home or work more traveling just because of technology and the way that the internet is designed to help us right now.
I think the workplace in 10 years will be very different. I think that we will be all over the place, not in one location. We'll be using video to make and form relationships. I think in person will still make a difference, but I do think that it will be rare occasion for that in person because video will be so awesomely good. I think there won't be such a thing as email. I think that we will be able to communicate much more socially. It'll be on the fly, it'll be filtered, and use all the great analytics. In fact, part of that new workforce, I think, is here today with IBM Verse, that first step along that path to the next generation of work.
Well, hopefully it's drastically different than it's looked like for the last 10 years. At least I hope so anyways. I think what we're going to see is a lot more independence coming together, and we're going to see a lot more of the lessons learned from Agile development applied to traditional knowledge work. So looking at 2- and 3-person teams, they're going to have a lot more autonomy, being able to actually make decisions and take actions, and hopefully they're going to get off that 5-year or annual plan and actually get budget so they can actually seize opportunities as they emerge and actually take care of problems as they arise before they turn into crisis.
There will be a workplace that physically is designed for a new generation, and that's the millennials. Millennials tend to like open cultures with glass walls and big spaces where they intentionally overhear each other. Technology will be pervasive in every point where people work and where people shop and where people go into a public space. That's already happening. It's happening very, very quickly with beacons. In a couple of years from now, I would predict that the Qualcomm mobile LTE will be replacing it in a lot of places because of the limitations not of the beacons, but of Bluetooth.
In 10 years, the workplace will not just be flexible and virtual, the whole organization will change in a way that allows for strengths of people to be highlighted. So, example is what Facebook does and a couple of other companies in the industry do. They hire very strong people who are known in the industry for something, and then they help folks shape their own roles and their own positions in a way that works best for the person and the company. So I feel like in future the organizational charts themselves might not necessarily exist, and the fluidity will be much better internally, where people will shift into new positions to continue to learn new skills and understand where the strengths that they can apply are more valuable than in particular other roles. So I think that's definitely the biggest trend that's going to happen.
I think it continues to evolve as far as employees working remotely. I think we see better ways of communicating, more automated ways of communicating. One of the challenges that we run into now, especially as companies become even more global, is how to effectively communicate with the people that we're working with on different teams and different projects. So I think we'll continue to see that evolve and find better ways of doing that so the teams are more streamlined and working together, whether in the same office or whether they're working remotely somewhere like within the continental United States or outside of this in other parts of the world, working parts of those.
The workplace to me in 10 years will be breaking down barriers literally and physically. Right now a lot of offices are still in cubicle spaces, and as someone who's recently relocated to Europe, I noticed there's a lot of open floor plan spaces. I see that becoming more and more prevalent in the workplace, so coworkers can collaborate much more, they can just turn around, they don't have to kind of go through the wall of a cubicle to get to each other.
The workplace will change, but some things will remain consistent because collaboration has to happen in person for it to be effective. We're experimenting right now with something that I think is going to catch, which is the idea of sitting in a circle. I think that seats and seating arrangements will have a large effect on productivity, people are going to really tune into that. When you move people around the office, their brains change. It won't be sitting at your own desk, forever, for 20 years. It's going to be moving around in desks and also experimenting with those seating arrangements. I expect that the circle, people not having their backs to each other, but instead facing towards each other and thinking about one common goal, I think that is going to catch on. In so many words, I actually don't think the workplace will change so much.